Hello teacher, hello friends. My name is Emiliano José. My name are farm animals and insects. This is donkey, this is bird, this is mouse, this is caterpillar, this is cow, this is chicken, this is this is ladybug.